Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to close your Etsy shop. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Etsy.com and then go to Shop Manager, as you will be seeing right over here. So for me, I do not have a shop, so it's gonna be like this. But once you go to Shop Manager, you will have a page where you have settings and then select options. Select the Close Shop tab, then select your reason for closing your shop from the drop down menu. As the last step, it's gonna be select close shop, then please answer the short survey before closing your shop. Once your shop is closed, it may take some time for the system to process your request. Your Etsy account will become a buyer-only account with no visible shop. You can continue to access your existing orders and you can reopen your shop at any time. So if you don't see the option to close your shop, then if you don't see that, you will need to close any unresolved cases or pay any overdue fees first. So in case there was some kind of debt on you, you need to pay them first. After that, you will be able to close your shop. So there is other stuff like how you can close your shop with open orders. If you have open orders, you can put your shop in vacation mode until they are completed, and then you can go ahead and close it. But in case you had some payments account balance, make sure your bank details on file are correct and up to date before closing your shop, because any funds left in your payments account will be deposited according to your deposit schedule and will be sent directly to your bank account. So you don't have really to worry about that. So yeah, that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.